Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the interesting topic in Schneider Electric communication module called BMX or BMENOR0200 module. BMXNOR module, which brings the RTU functionality in the bodycon pack platform. NOR0200 module supports the standard telemetry protocols such as IEC 60870, DNP master or slave call, and also Modbus TCP, time synchronization NTPs, SNMP, FTPs, SMTP, etc. This module supports the communication infrastructure such as radios, GPRS, GSM, telephone network, etc. And also this BMX NOR module, it supports lot of functionalities in Unity Pro application. So and also if we see the Ethernet service overview, you can find Modbus TCP messaging, and also it inbuilt in HTTP servers, NTP clients, NTP server clients, BootP clients, DHCP, SNMP agents, SMTP, etc. And also if you go for the hardware, you can find the rotary switch in the back in the sides. So you need to be select that rotary switch to make the addressing formats. Now just open the Unity Pro application, and I will delete the one of the module, and we will add the communication module here. Just select here communication, and you can find BME NO. See here we will add this module BME NOR 0200. There is two series, two model, and we will select, see, one is bus module RS485 and another one is Ethernet. We will select this Ethernet, so it's added here BMX NOR0200. Once you select the configuration, see, you can find here it will support the TCP serial and modem connections, and if you see the main function is DNP3 and also IEC 60870 and Modbus TCP protocols and web servers, diagnostics, etc. Okay, and now if you see the other visual indicators, you can find from here, and if you click the channel, you currently don't have anything. Okay, so what we will do now, we will select the channel. Before you are selecting here, you need to be check this all the functionalities and save your application now. Once you saved, see, in the channel you need to configure the TCP IP before you are configuring this NOR0200 modules. Okay, just I'm double clicking, still it is connecting, but when I see here in the IO objects, this one is only for addressing, and for if you go for project browser, you can find one of the communications. You can find here after the derived function blocks variable function instance, and you can find the communication. From the communication there is network. So first of all, in the channel, in the downside, if you see here, there is some pop-up called functions. In the functions, you can find here Ethernet TCP. For that one, you need to be add first the network. Right click and add new network, and here you can find Ethernet, and you can give any one of the name for Ethernet network, Ethernet 2. See, once I added the Ethernet 2, double click the Ethernet 2. See here upside you have option for NOR or NGO. You can select NOR0200. After that, security, you need to enable the securities and also the IP address to configure for this NOR module. Once you configure the NOR module here, and also you can give the subnets 255.255.0.0. Okay, and also you can configure by manual, or you can directly configure through automatic also. And see, if you have some particular IP address, you can directly make through access control and add your IP address, where you need to be get the data for your through your DNP. No? So you can connect, you can add your IP address all here. And also in the right side, if you see module utilities, NTP, you can configure also NTP. And in the IP address you have here, just I will you can add the gateway. If you have any gateway IP address, you can add the gateway of that IP also. After you add, validate that configuration and save your application. Once you saved, you open the function again here in the NOR module. It will take little bit time because I'm using virtual machine, so it is taking little bit time. See, now you can find Ethernet TCP and you can find the link Ethernet 2. So now you connected the communication module in this communication Ethernet networks in your module. Okay, after you make, validate your application and you configured your now BMENOR module here. So this is the steps you need to follow in the Unity Pro. But you have lot of other features in the NOR0200 modules. That one we will see, because this should be seen only through the online services. So before that, before going to that online service, because I don't have currently the module, so I will show through the manual itself. Okay, just I compile if there is any error appearing or not. I think there is no error. And also from here also, if sometimes if the data validation is not there, go to the project settings and enable the data editor. See, now we already configured this this network and it's already built. And now in our case, see, I'm using just simulator, so I will select the simulator and I will check if there is anything available, because if you connect sometimes the simulator itself, okay, and if you put particular address, you can open through the browser and you can verify that one also. It is possible, but in my case, just I will show you how to make the simulation. Just add the simulator, and once it's, you can see from the downside also the TCP 127.0.0.1. This means this is simulator in the downside. So I just compile now, built also. Now I will connect to this application. See, now I will just connect, and it is showing different, no configuration, because we are using simulator. So I will just run the PLC simulator. So it is transferring the file to simulator. Once it started, you can see everything green in the downside. See, now I'm running. So you can see everything is running. Equal, run, upload information is okay, and it is running through simulator. And you can find from the simulator, it is, you can see the red color upside. But if you are using the real configuration, you cannot see that color, because if there is some error only, you can see the red color. See, now I already enabled this IP address. So once if you connected the physical one, Now you can go to the web browser and put your IP address of the NOP module. If you put your IP address 19, see, if you put your IP address, it will open the browser directly. Okay, for me, what I will do now, I will close this application and I will show through the manual itself, so you can understand what it will do exactly in the functions. See, once you connected in your application in your module, this is you can find the all the diagnostic features, and also you can see all the detail of the NOR module in the application. Okay, just what I will do now. See here, see here, this is the web browser. You can find the web page here. See, once you open the IP address, you can find this web page directly, and from here you can find setup, monitoring, control, diagnostic, maintenance. In the setup, you can find these communication parameters and the modem parameters, serial port, and also the Ethernet. Which one you need to configure, you can select and you can configure the parameters, and also the channel of that server. The default username and password is user. Once you select that one, it will ask you the default username. Initially, you can give the same username and it will ask you to change the password. And after that, you can go to diagnostic page and you can see the RTU protocols, rack viewers, and also the messaging type. It will looks like the same rack viewers. So you can find if there is any error, you can find from here. See, this is the page. If you click that in the dashboard, you can find exactly the module states and also the rack states and which version you are using, firmware version, and the IP address, port numbers, and also the dropped messages, maximum received messages, a number of multicast, number of broadcast, everything. And also you can find the complete list of IPs, like where you are connecting to the remote IP address, so you can find everything there. And if you go to NTP diagnostics, you can find exactly what is the NTP details, and also you can go to the Ethernet connections page. You can find remote ports, all the remote port list. From the monitoring, you can see all the data editors, data editor lights from the monitoring. See, and also if you go for this monitoring, you can find the NOR screen. From here you can find all the debug values. It's similarly looks like the same page, and you can find what exactly it is running. And if you go for diagnostic itself, you can configure this parameter like this communication, and you can configure the complete frame for the module, and also for the serial configuration you can use this page like RS-232 transmit receive and what is the baud rate, everything. And also you can go for web designer configuration also here. See here, this it looks like the same web designer project creation. From here you can add your module and you can see the similar navigators, and from there you can configure your memory word address. See, like this, because currently I don't have exact module, otherwise I will connect and I will show the complete things. But now this is the overview of the BMXNOR0200. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Thank you.